Hi. Hi. Are you eating some food? First yogurt, I think. I hope your mom isn't mad. Or your dad. Big girl with the spoon? Yeah. Is that good? That's good stuff, huh? Oh, you stir it up? I know, you got the stuffy nose. Good job. That seems to be kind of a tricky way to do it. Okay. Stay right there. Right here. Yogurt.
She can eat.
Yummy.
She can eat all by herself.
You're doing such a good job.